In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to open an FxPro Demo account. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up your favorite browser and then go up and search for fxpro.com. Then from here, it should be doing something like this. And here you'll need to click either register or log in to your already existing account. So let's create an account. To do that, you need to click register. Here you need to add in the country of residence, your email address, and enter your password. Then from there, you will need to add in a bunch of details about yourself. You don't need to verify your identity just yet if you just want to open a demo account, but you'll need to answer some of the other questions that FxPro will ask you. Then it should be looking something like this, where you can verify your identity if you want to do that, but you don't need to do that, as I just told you before, if you want to open a demo account. But to open a demo account, you need to go over here to the sidebar and click Wallet and Accounts. From here, you'll see this one right here. From here, you need to scroll down to your trading accounts and go from Real Account to Demo Account. From here, you need to go down and click Create Demo Account, like so. Then from here, you can see what demo account that FxPro offers, and then you can just click with Continue Raw plus Demo. Then from here, you can add the currency, you can add the leverage, you can add the initial demo balance, and you can add the execution method, either netting or hedging. Down here, you can also click if you want an external terminal for this specific account, where you'll need to create a password. Then you can click Create Demo Account, and then from here, you can see that you can trade with this specific demo account. You can either use FxPro Web Terminal or MetaTrader 5, and you can just click on one of these if you want to do that. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!